Welcome to 292 Coutant Street, Flushing, Michigan, offered by Scott and Stacey Real, with American Associates Realtors. Step on into this charming Cape Cod home, and you find 3 bedrooms, 1.5 baths, a full basement and a 2-car garage. This living room is one of my favorite rooms, with its well-cared-for hardwood floors, which you will find throughout, and with a neutral decor. You will also find some nice old-style craftsmanship of coved ceilings, and the French-style windows with wide window sills. During the winter months, cozy up to the gas fireplace, with its stone face and rustic mantle, give this room warmth and character. Another one of my favorite rooms in the home is this remodeled kitchen, with ample cabinets and counter space. The cabinets are not your typical oak or painted surfaces. The homeowner chose Hickory for their cabinets because of its durability and the wood grain character. Anyone who enjoys cooking knows you can't beat a gas stove. This stainless steel gas range stays with the home and is paired up with this high-end range hood. Beside the ample cabinets outlining the kitchen, there is a pantry for added storage. The homeowner is leaving the stainless steel refrigerator, dishwasher, and microwave to complete the kitchen ensemble. The dining room has access off the kitchen and living room, which make it ideal for everyday meals and entertaining during special events and holidays. As we venture upstairs, you will find 2 of the 3 bedrooms. Both rooms are roomy enough to fit most bedroom necessities. Throughout the upstairs bedrooms, hallway, and stairs, you will find more of the beautiful hardwood floors. With multiple windows, in both upstairs bedrooms, you'll have plenty of natural sunlight to shine in. Both the upstairs bedrooms have dormers, closets, and added attic storage. On the main level is the 3rd bedroom. The homeowners are currently using this room as an office den setup. The main bathroom has a full acrylic tub shower surround, and an updated toilet and vanity. An extra half bath is always nice to have, so there is no waiting for the facilities. Now, as we head down below, there is a full basement, set up with a rec room, storage and laundry room. This cozy spot is where the fun is, and by the way, the pool table is included with the rec room. No one likes to do laundry, but with this nicely finished room, it is pleasant to come down to. As a bonus, there is a folding table, and 2 rows of storage for extra linens and supplies in the laundry room. When old man winter comes a-blowing, you'll have a high-efficiency, Lennox, gas forced air furnace to keep you warm and your energy bills down. The home also has central air, for when summer comes back around. And, when summer does come back, you're sure to be outside enjoying the sun and grilling on your deck and patio, with family and friends. And when Mother Nature wants to spoil your plans, you have a covered patio, to keep the barbecue fun going.